Guys, asikhulume unemployment ekhasi. Unemployment ekhasi isidelisa ngabantu. Sesidelelwa yilelo amantombazana lawa angahlaniphanga nasesikoleni. Abantu athi sibakopisa. Yibona abasidelelayo manje just because they are working. Unemployment isibulele. Yabona ungafunda kakhulu, ukhuluma isingama, ukhuluma English fluently, you know what I'm so for. But unemployment yakshaya. Unemployment yakshaya. And njoba ikushaya ufundile unawo wonke ama-qualifications, civil engineering unayo, what physics unayo, yonke i-physics yavizika wena, ne-physics iyasho ukuthi dala ungasebenzi lokhu plomekasi ukhuluma isilungu, hey I'm educated lokuthi ngicela ningiphuzise. And so uba ucela ningiphuzise manje running your storeroom manje ushawa nayo depression because awusebenzi. Ubona abantu every day babuye emsebenzini bagcoka ama-uniform, abanye ama-security, abanye amaphoyisa. Now uyahalela that urge yespanini uthi ngivuke ekuseni nami uthi ngivuke ekuseni ngespanini nami intombi yami ingenzela isikhaftini ngihami ngespanini. We yearn for that thing. We see social media lapha ku Facebook abantu bapostile going to work. Ayabona ukuthi uyabhekseleke wena bawuvuka nje uyoma emakuleni ucela abantu amathurani iyehlisa isithunde ingcono emayibontomazanini mali uwese emadodeni because awusakwazi ukushela manje, so iwash pride nesidima sakho noma sokuthi ashiya abadala lento engasisebenzi le. So thunywa laba bafana abancane athi bathume shop, so thunywa bafana na 15 athi hamba ngithengelile kuzana ikota lapha eshop. Just imagine thunywa umfana omncane. Asekho isithunzi, awusena sithunzi as a man. Awusena sithunzi. Hey into benzenza ukufuna ungasebenzi. No woman will want you while you're not working. Hi guys, how do we solve this, guys? The government is not helping. Ngibone ivideo yabantu abo more than 1,000 be Mall of Africa eRocco Mamas. And angazukathi kufuneka abantu abayi5 kuphela. Ayabona ukuthi unemployment ibhaya, unemployment ibhaya in South Africa. Ibhaya. And abantu bahleli ne-certificates abo civil what. Sina sinawo matric, we don't have. Yabona basiblomile nabo labantu abanama-degree ade bachomsela bathi I'm going to campus. Siblomile abo la ikasi. And ibona uba west ubheke manje babo inyophi ibona bacela amathurani ngazo sikhathi ibona athi I got 5 distinction in. Yabona employment imosha kanjani. Then bazothi hayi these drugs things ama-drug dealer yenza ini, they're making money nabo bazama ukuphila. But into edinayo ukuthi manje lento unemployment lead to depression ngoba uzama ukuyihila ngama-drugs and ube worse gcina sowutshontsha izinto zabantu manje utshontsha lapha uthi nawe uzama ukuphila. Bakubheka abathi fanami country lena outside bafika so I'm telling so yasaba manje ukuza intombi ngoba Nkosi yami into unemployment. Guys, subscribe to the channel nami ngiphume kule statistics se-unemployment, ngiphume ku-statistics, ngiphume get out of this. Subscribe to the channel. Nkosi yami, why ni so subscribe. Thank you.